Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first launch the Gmail application. To log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click here to remove. Confirm your action by tap to remove account button again. Are you sure? If you use some unlock methods, you could use thumb. I'll use the pattern for example. And now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account. So that's why go back to the application and let's check, and we could see that in apps we also successfully log out from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.